how to update your Filmigo app. So if you're having issues with the Filmigo app, maybe it is too slow, or you are not getting the latest features that comes with this app, the only thing you need to do is to go ahead and update it. Now this can easily be done on Android smartphone through Google Play Store or iPhone through App Store. So I'll show you how to update Filmigo through Android smartphone. To get started, go to Play Store and tap on it, and then go ahead and search for your app. And as you can see, we have our app here. Go ahead and tap on it. And as you can see, we have two options here, uninstall and open. So if you see open, it means you have the latest version of Filmigo editor app. But if you see it written update, it means that you are using the older version of Filmigo app. Now go ahead and tap on update, and then this will go ahead and download the latest version of Filmigo app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app is installed, now you can proceed by tapping on open, and from here you will start using the latest version of this app. So that's how you update your Filmigo app to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.